Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video I want to ask, are you tracking your leads? It's astonishing how many business owners I speak to who don't track their leads in any kind of consistent format. I spoke to a business owner the other day whose entire process was to have regular, sometimes daily conversations with their sales staff to say, hey, what's going on with your leads? And when things worked, they worked all right, but there was nothing in place to keep the salespeople accountable to their leads or help them keep track of all the leads they were managing to make sure that nothing slipped through the cracks. A digital leads tracker can be a great tool for solving this exact challenge, and it can be as simple as a Google spreadsheet that tracks all of your leads in terms of their progress through your sales cycle. Or if you're looking for something more elaborate, you can use work management software like Asana to build out pipelines with repeatable processes that track your leads on a more granular level. Taking that a step further, you can implement all kinds of automation technologies or even a customer relationship manager to really dial in on your leads and increase the chances of turning them into customers. If you're not tracking your leads digitally at all, it's time to start doing it, and it doesn't need to be a complicated process. If I've piqued your interest, I encourage you to book a strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.